Hello there, I'm Dave Allen, I'm Good and Geeky, and today we're going to look at keyboard shortcuts on iOS 15 and how to get at them quickly using the globe key and the command key on your iPad. Here we are on the home screen. I'm holding down the globe key and up pops this window showing me some of the keyboard shortcuts available. At the moment all we're getting is system and multitasking, but it's a start. We've got two groups of keyboard shortcuts available, system and multitasking. You can tap on these buttons at the bottom where it says system and multitasking to move between the two, or you can just slide across in the window that's showing above. If I want to use the app switcher, I can use the globe key plus the up arrow, or I can actually tap on this thing within this window and it'll bring up the app switchers directly. So on the home screen, let's try out this keyboard shortcut, the globe key with the up arrow, and up pops the app switcher. If you've got an application open, such as Drafts for instance, and hold down the globe key, you get more options. Here we've got system, multitasking, split view and slide over. So again, you can tap on the buttons below, or you can slide across manually to see what keyboard shortcuts you've got available. In the keyboard shortcuts for split view, I've got tile window left. So if I tap on that, it will tile a window over to the left and then give me an option to choose another application to put onto the right hand side. And on this occasion I'm going to choose Craft to put onto the right hand side of the screen in split view. So let's go back into Drafts, and instead of clicking on the globe key, let's tap on the command key and see what we've got instead. Instead of getting the system-wide keyboard shortcuts, I get the keyboard shortcuts available within the Drafts application, and I can scroll across there to see a whole load of keyboard shortcuts that have been set up in the app. So now I've gone to the app on the right side, which is Craft, and press the command key, and I'm bringing up the keyboard shortcuts available, which at the moment is just showing Craft and Edit. But if I want to see all keyboard shortcuts, I can do Command and comma, and it will bring up all the keyboard shortcuts available within Craft. The app developers have used a different way to bring up the keyboard shortcuts for us, but it will work just the same. So let's hold down the command key again, and you can see that the command plus comma is there available. Tap on that, it's going to bring up all the keyboard shortcuts available within Craft. It is one extra tap or one extra step to get to see all your shortcuts, but they're all there and you can get your reminders of what the shortcuts are. So with the globe key and the backslash, I can bring up the slide over. Globe and backslash key once again, and it puts the slide over apps away again. And then we've got a key that we can use to take a slide over app and put it into split view. Sweet, or what? Choose a few of these keyboard shortcuts that are useful to you and use them over and over to get them into your muscle memory, and you won't have to bring up this reminders window from the bottom of the screen with the globe key or with the command key. You can also do a search with this, so start typing in the word slide and it will bring up all of the keyboard shortcuts based on that word. If I start typing in CON, it'll bring up the control center and remind me that the keyboard shortcut is globe plus C. When you're on the home screen, it doesn't matter whether you press the globe key or the command key, you're going to get this set of system-wide keyboard shortcuts. It's just when you've got an application open that the command key gives you the keyboard shortcuts for the app rather than the system keyboard shortcuts. So this is Dave Allen for Good and Geeky, and we looked at some keyboard shortcuts to use on your iPad. If you've learned something from this video, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe. Hit that bell to get notifications when there are more tutorials coming out, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye bye now.